Hello, Bung Samnan. Go and see the room. Your children can come, you see. The father, mother can come, you see. Oh. They play here on the aircon, you see. This is a very good fish. Yeah, this one I say for family. You can chill outside. Yeah.放你 ringtone 了嘞，
做久好，
够久了。老婆打来就这个声音啊，哇，很好听的。
然后有没了？
哇，是 very strong 啊！
哎，我不。打，你就把就危险过。Of course 啦 ，of course. Let me come. Oh, I think the way we fight. Run. Yeah. Big one. Big cup. 这个大啊。好吧。哦，呀，一包，还靠啊。你就搬啊，拿高，再来，对了，差不多看到了，你看那条鱼不一样啊，你看，这个鲤鱼啊，呀，你ใหญ่เลยดูเบรกสิยังไม่เห็นตัวเลยนะป่านนี้ขึ้นมาแล้ว停住，进去，快收线。哦，到下去，到，开，来 ，yes， 鲤鱼，年有余，鲤鱼啊，足啊，the fight different right， 啊，輕啊，你釣到鯉魚啊，對，釣到鯉魚，年有餘啊，啊，輕旺啊，哦，嘴巴那小，沒鯉，哦 ，how big is this？ Wow, look at that. Look at. All right. นี่ตรงไหนโอ้ยอะไรอ่ะไม่รู้เลยเดี๋ยวใจมาดาวโอ้well done yeah 哇全部交代了以后不用来啊 耶，好，push out 嘞。OK， 好。Alright, nice. Right. Okay. I think this short body I need to turn it back. Short body short body. Up.
打开游戏的不是飞线。
Can. Come on. Yes. Now. Boom down. Okay. Yeah. How you feel?
Wow, sure.
Sure.
Cannot feel my right hand now.
Okay, come on, Pull up.
哇，拦你！
头要钻下去吗？很有力。Yes. Now. Boom down. Okay. Yeah. How you feel?
Wow, sure.
Sure.
Cannot feel my right hand now.
Okay, come on, Wait. Oh, okay. Okay, twist. Push. 哇，我还以为掉下水。哇哦。Yes. Okay. Thank you. Okay, good. 2, 3. 哇，看你作品，哇，老ơi. 哇 ，big.
哇，老
哇，你其實可以掉下去啊。哦。哇 ，OK， well done. Go， 掉了 ，Go。Yes。哦，看你預料。哇，老嘢。Oh, look at the rod. Come on, man. Oh, big ah. Hey, the biggest. 啊！哇！打水。哦。No, open bell. Oh, 长 long. 有。哦 ，big one, monster. 哦，大条。叫你老婆来看。
妈妈。
哦，個睇到。哦，short body 係咩啊？short body 係啊。
哪已經 short body 啊？
嗱，我不跟。
It's never like I've experienced before.
好，看。Yes. Mekong. 好。咦，再嚟。喂，大狗。哦，我吸，狂風吸。哇！下來。哦 ，OK。
年年有餘。
年年有餘啊！完了。
剛才那
沒動了。
是比較大。
對。OK。
What have you? Then two hand again. Pump. Yes. This action repeat.
你不可以去讲啊！你不要再哭啊！
我来扣2个人会哭。
哇，老伟，那是杆是我的 ，view 是他的，你给我们啊！
我跳水就
跳水啊，来不及了，跳水，我跑。
给他放先，他跳了，你才落位 view。
有没有给鱼拉的滋味？
有，我们在玩跳蛙。
对我。来，那 we come to the end of the trip. So, can I do some quick review of today's fishing trip?
Of course.
Okay, let me ask, do this trip fulfill your expectation before you come?
I think this trip, actually I read many reviews and I had some expectation, but then unfortunately, I think this trip already far exceeded my expectation.
Wow, okay. But how many fishes you caught today?
Today, total of 25, including the last one that burst right at the platform.
Okay, what is your overall experience fishing with us, BKK Fishing Tour?
I think from the start of contact all the way until booking, you have been very BKK Tour is very responsive, and then everything is mentioned up front. You tell them how many, who are you coming with, how many packs, and BKK Tours will actually give you a good recommendation on where to go, what you want to fish. Everything they will make a recommendation, and everything is very clear from the start, including the cost, the trip, the length of the pickup point where he will pick you up, including how far you need to travel out of Bangkok. So all these are already set up very early from the start. So I think overall the experience from booking all the way until fulfilling the trip to completing the trip, it's been excellent.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Lastly, will you recommend your friends to fish with us? And also, will you use our fishing service again next time you come fishing, Bangkok vacation?
Of course. Now, even for the next trip, we were undecided on the destination. But I think for now, we will definitely have Thailand in our sights, because I think every trip to Thailand is not complete without BKK fishing tours. And
thank
of course,
you.
I have many fishing kakis back in Singapore. They also know that I come to BKK fishing tour and Bangsaram, and they are also waiting for me to give feedback. So I can't wait to settle down everything and arrange all the pictures, and of course write a good write-up, and then I will, of course, with this I can recommend to my friends.
Oh, review is very important to us. I look forward to fish with you once again, and you are our wife, lovely wife. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye bye.